Welcome, Middle School Math Made Easy, Simple Visual Math. So we are continuing with finding median. And when finding the median, if there are two middle numbers, we add them and divide by 2. So we're going to practice this on the next few slides. So if you don't remember how to find median, it is on my previous video. But we went over examples where the median was just the middle number and there were not two middle numbers. In this video, we're going to go over what to do if there are two middle numbers when finding the median. If you like these visuals for your students, as if you're a teacher, homeschooling, guardian, and step-by-step guides, please click on the links below on Amazon, Teachers Pay Teachers, follow me on Pinterest, and make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for more videos like this. So let's jump right into this example here. We are going to find the median, and remember, the first step is we have to order the numbers from least to greatest. So a lot of times students forget to order the numbers and they right away just look for the middle number. But then, sometimes you will get the correct answer if you do that, but that is not always going to give you the correct answer, and it is not the correct method. You need to first order the numbers from least to greatest. Now, in this example, when we order the numbers from least to greatest, we are going to find two middle numbers. So what do? That's when students get confused. And what we're going to do is we're just going to follow these steps, and we're going to add the two middle numbers and divide by 2. So we're really taking the average, the mean of the two numbers to find the exact number in the middle. But I am going to demonstrate it for you so you're not confused. So we're going to start by ordering. Step 1, we're going to order 8 is the first number. And then I see a 15, that is the second number. And then I see a 23. And if you make a mistake when you're ordering, you could always erase and then just fix the order. And I see a 36. Now I wrote this visual up and I arranged this like this. This might be, if you're doing a problem like this and you don't see a visual like this, you might want to write out the lines for yourself and then make a box in the middle with the plus and the division by 2. So after the 36, I see a 52. And then after the 52 is a 60. And next is 83. And last is 89. I'm going to count the numbers that I have and make sure that they're same amount of numbers is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now I'm going to see what is the median, what is the middle number. So I'm going to go 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and I see there's a problem because there are two numbers in the middle. So what I have to do is I have to add them together, and then I have to divide by 2. So I take the two numbers in the middle, which here are 36 and 52, and I have to add them together. So here I get 88. Now remember, sometimes when you add it, you're going to get with a decimal. It doesn't matter. You still do the same steps. Your answer might not be a whole number. You might have a decimal part as well. And then I do 88 divided by 2, which is 44. You're basically just taking the average or the mean to try to find the exact number in the middle. 44 is the median here because 44 is in the middle of 36 and 52. So this is a different type of example because here we have two numbers in the middle. So sometimes students get confused. I hope this example was helpful for you. And if you like worksheets like this to help you practice with visuals and step-by-step guides, please don't hesitate to click on the links below. You can buy these on Amazon, Teacher Pay Teacher. Please make sure to follow me on Pinterest so that you can see all the different worksheets I have. And make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell. And I have linked more of my videos here that explain middle school math, all different topics. Please go check them out. Thank you.